How we all doing? This is Ken and Cammy. Cammy, say hi, Cammy. That's Cammy over there. Yeah. Today I would like to introduce you how we do a firecracker fried rice as of 4th July. One of our very special dish. This jasmine rice. Let's go to the direct to the procedure, okay, family. Just one portion of jasmine rice. This is our firecracker sauce that we actually use for our previous restaurant in Bend, Oregon for our crawfish festival. And this sauce will make incredible crawfish sauce and also now a firecracker fried rice. Okay, that's all we need to do right there. And just add very little bit of sugar. Alright, and on the side we got jumbo black tiger shrimp, pickled daikon carrot, we call it Vietnamese, we call it đậu chua, right? Diced carrots and gnocchi, chunk pineapple and green onions. Okay, let's do it, family. Okay. And to me, when we do the cooking, the temperature is make a very important decision when and where and the time when we put the food in and take the food out. And I would like to get it heat up a little bit, extremely heat up. And when it extremely heat up, so the food won't get stick into the wok. And look at our wok, okay, family. Now, we put just very little vegetable oil into it. Let it set for 5 seconds. 1 chicken egg. Alright, and then put the egg in there. The next one is pineapple and green onion. The next one is a little bit of daikon carrot. I mean the gnocchi and diced carrot. Of course, now the shrimp. And then finally the rice. And then when the rice comes in, we got to make the rice. It doesn't stick into a bowl anymore to separate it. Okay. When the wok is very nice and hot, it doesn't stick anymore on the wok. If you can help me to calm it, it's maximum on the extremely hot wok. It only takes maximum 2 minutes per dish in order to get it exactly the time. You can see all that rice started already sparked out, and we got to do the wok 360 degrees. So in order to get the rice cooked all the way. You know, at the end we put just very little bit of butter on it. And now this is sesame oil and cooking rice. That's it, family. And now we're gonna put it into the plate and go to your dining table. I wish you were here. You can smell it. Very fragrant and flavorful. So what we do is we decorate the daikon pickle around the rice platter. And I love when you bite into little fried rice and you dip into the daikon pickle, a little bit sweet and sour. Make the flavor even more pleasure. That's it, family. We call it firecracker fried rice with shrimp, or we can do it with chicken, pork, or beef, or if you are vegan. We can do with fresh fried tofu as well. And the option we can do with egg or no egg. That's optional. So come on and see us at Perfect Cafe Vegas at 7625 South Rainbow Boulevard, Suite 100. The phone number is 702-922-5555. Good morning. Happy 4th of July. Tammy, happy 4th. See you all soon, family, and we open today, okay, by the way. Thank you.